Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw letters of blood, real easy. And what we need to do is to draw really simple letters. And it's not going to be normal blood because I'm drawing in a black Sharpie pen, so it's going to be black blood. Anyway, really simple letters, and the secret is in the spacing. So come a good distance. Like that, BL, and then a good distance. So if that's where you can normally have the O, let's have a good space in between, and then a good space in between again, like that, and a good space in between. You can pencil this out so that you can make mistakes and erase them later. Now the secret is that we're going to come all around the outside like that and keep an equidistance, the same distance, and when you get to the bottom then we're going to go all drippy like that, and then keep the same distance all the way around. And you might want a bit of a blob there and maybe a bit of a blob there, but keep the same distance on the insides as well. Come all the way around. Now you can see why we needed the spacing, because we're coming all the way around and go blobby around there and up to the top. Again, we're going to come around here. So it's just kind of fitting in there, and we want this kind of blobby blood like that all the way around. And we're going to do again, see, so it's all about that spacing. That's why we do that wide spacing at the beginning while we're planning it out, and then we'll come all the way around like that.
If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills.
Now the next thing you might want to do is to put some shininess in, so we'll put these little bits on the there to remind us where not to colour in. So if you want this to look like blood, you really need to be starting again with a red pen. So we'll do that so the light is coming down and hitting there, but we're also going to get some maybe some little bits of shininess in there as well. So these bits are to remind you, don't shade in there, and that will give us nice shiny highlights. And you might want to do some in there, kind of along there as well, on these blobby bits, drippy bits. Then all you need to do is to shade in the whole thing and then shade in all the rest. You can magically turn it into red, and there you go. How to draw letters of blood for Halloween. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.